Now all of you, we are taking question number 2. Suppose you are given a peer, given the construction its center. All of yes, you given a construction find. You are given a circle. Suppose you are given a circle. All of you have given a circle. You have given a circle, and you don't know its center. So how you will find its center? It is very easy. All of you, it is very easy. You don't have to do anything. You have to construct its two chord. You have to construct its two chord A B B C. You have to construct its two chord, and then with the compass you have to bisect this line. If you are bisecting this, one line will cut here, one this here, one will be here, one will be here. Now you have to draw line. You have to draw line from whatever curves we made. Now you have to bisect this line also, this. Now another cut is this. So the line will come like this here. So where the intersection of 2 points is meeting, that will be the point. You can check, the circle will come very fine. The circle will come very fine. Okay, for this you should have compass and ruler, so you can understand it very easily. Very easily. So this is our question number 2, all of you. So these are the important questions of exercise, that exercise. Now exercise 10, only 3 questions are there in this exercise. One we will discuss in live class. Question number 3 I am doing question number exercise 10.4. question number 1, 2 circles of radius 3 and 5 cm intersect 2 points. Distance between their center is this. So what we have to find common chord. All of you, this is very easy question. We have given a circle of 5 cm and another circle of another circle of radius 3 cm, all of you, and this is the common chord. All of you, this is called the common chord. We have to find the length of it, and this is center, this is its center, and this center will be here because it is, yes. So this is our radius. Now this is 4 cm is given, this is 5 cm, so this will be 3 cm, this will be 3 cm, all of you. So its length will be, what is the length of this circle? We first of all we will find this P, O dash and Q. So if we are finding O dash, so it is 4 already given, it is given. So what we have to prove that this line is straight. If this is straight, so this will be double of it. So we are observing here that OP square is equal to O dash square plus PO dash square, because 5 square is always equal to 4 square plus 3 square. So it implies that angle O dash P is equal to 90 degree. So whenever any line is drawn perpendicular to a chord that bisect the chord, so this will be double of it. So that's why PQ is equal to 2 of PO dash. So 2 into 3, so 6 cm will be this. So try all the examples of these two exercises. Thank you very much.